Hello, I'm Nico, and today I'm here at Planar Motor to show you how the Planar Motor System can easily be extended and reconfigured. In front of me, I have an array of 2x2 flyways with 4 movers. We are going to add more flyways and more movers to our layout. To do this, I'm going to stop the current program and I'm going to deactivate the system. Now I'm going to bring the rest of the flyways and I'm going to attach the 2 mounting plates together. Okay, now I'm going to connect the cables. In this case, we only have 2 data cables. And 1 power cable. Okay. Everything else can be done from the Planar Motor tool software. So now I'm going to go to Configuration, open Configurator, go to the Layout tab, and in here you can see we have 4 flyways right now. I'm going to add more flyways. I'm going to click to fill in the spaces where I have the flyways and write this to the Planar Motor controller. Now the Planar Motor controller will reboot and now I'm going to power cycle the flyways. Now the system is going to take a few seconds to recognize the new layout and all of the Xbots that it has on top. We can monitor this process in the Planar Motor tool. You can see the Xbots getting recognized. Okay, so now we can run our program. And just like that, we have added another set of flyways to our system. This is all still controlled from a single controller, and it is a single cohesive machine. Thank you for watching, and if you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to contact us at solutions@planarmotor.com. Thank you.